Welcome to our channel Worthy Tips, where we share the latest and most effective study techniques to help you become a topper in just a few days. Do you struggle to retain information during your studies? Do you feel like you are not making enough progress despite putting in countless hours? If so, then this video is for you. We will share with you some of the fastest and most effective study techniques that have been tried and tested by many successful students. So, let's get started. The first technique is to set achievable goals. You must set realistic goals that you can achieve in a specific amount of time. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your studies. The second technique is to create a study schedule. You need to prioritize your studies and allocate time for each subject. This will help you manage your time effectively and make sure that you cover all the topics before the exams. The third technique is to take breaks. It's essential to take short breaks in between your study sessions. This will help you stay fresh and focused, and you'll be able to retain the information better. The fourth technique is to practice active recall. This means recalling information from memory instead of just reading it over and over again. This technique helps you retain information for a longer time and improves your memory. The fifth technique is to use visual aids. This technique helps you remember information better by associating it with images. You can use diagrams, mind maps, and other visual aids to help you study. The sixth technique is to study in a group. Studying with a group can be beneficial as it can help you learn from your peers and clarify any doubts you may have. The seventh and final technique is to take care of yourself. It's essential to take care of your physical and mental health during your studies. Exercise, eat healthily, and take breaks when needed. This will help you stay focused and energized during your studies. So, there you have it, the fastest and most effective study techniques that will help you become a topper in just a few days. Remember to set achievable goals, create a study schedule, take breaks, practice active recall, use visual aids, study in a group, and take care of yourself. Implementing these techniques will not only help you ace your exams, but will also make studying a more enjoyable and rewarding experience. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your studies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks to help you excel in your life. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know which of these techniques have helped you the most. Until next time, happy studying!